Hello, everyone. I'm Jessica, and welcome to Learning English with Jessica. In this video, we're going to listen and practice our English through many different conversations. You can play it again repeatedly while engaging in other activities to help your brain memorize the language. Be patient, and you will swiftly improve your speaking and listening skills. Now, let's jump right into the video. Don't say this to speak like a native English speaker. If you want to make your English more natural, please pay close attention to today's video, because we're going to tell you 5 phrases that English learners often use, but native English speakers wouldn't say, because they're incorrect or because they just don't sound natural. Situation 1.
If Andrew comes in here and asks where I am, please say you don't know.
Why?
Please just say you don't know.
Okay.
Do you know where Milton is?
No, I don't know.
You're lying. You know where he is.
I don't know nothing.
You've made a mistake.
I don't know nothing. In this sentence, you have a double negative. A double negative makes a positive. It means, I know everything. So, I don't know nothing equals, I know everything. You should use, I don't know anything.
I get it. Thank you, Jessica.
You mean you know everything?
I mean, I don't know anything.
Okay.
Why are you looking for him?
He broke my computer screen.
What happened?
He just bought a new baseball bat. He swung his bat in my room.
Oh.
I warned him that it would break something in my room. Just when I thought, he accidentally broke my computer screen. Then he ran away.
So that's what happened. Well, I don't know where he is.
Oh, okay. I'll look for him somewhere else.
Situation 2.
Do you still remember Matthew?
Of course. He was a nerd and didn't talk much.
Yeah. And do you still remember Rose?
Of course. She was a beautiful and popular girl in our school at that time.
Right. Matthew and Rose are married.
Really? Rose is married with Matthew?
Hold on. Rose is married with Matthew? Let's check why that sentence is wrong. With is often used for being together or interacting together. Examples: we stay with them. However, when talking about two people who are married, we don't say married with. Say, Rose is married to Matthew?
Thanks again, Jessica.
What did you say?
Rose is married to Matthew?
Yes.
How did she fall in love with him?
I heard he changed after graduation.
Changed?
Yes. He looks like an elegant and attractive gentleman now.
Who said that?
Linda. She is his colleague.
Who's Linda?
She is my girlfriend.
Does your girlfriend ever say you look like a gentleman?
No. Linda, do you think I look like a gentleman?
Situation 3.
Hi, who's calling?
It's me, Aurora.
Hey, what's up?
I'm at the airport. Can you come pick me up?
Why don't you take a taxi?
I tried, but I couldn't get a taxi because of rush hour.
Which airport did you arrive at?
Los Angeles International Airport.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Thank you so much, Keith.
Who's that?
It's Aurora.
Oh, what's the problem?
I'll pick up her from the airport.
Pick up her. Is it correct? When the phrasal verb has an object, if we use the object's name, then we can say it in two ways. I'll pick Aurora up. I'll pick up Aurora. However, if we use a pronoun, then the pronoun must go in the middle of the phrasal verb. So don't say, I'll pick up her. Say, I'll pick her up.
You're amazing, Jessica.
Huh?
I'll pick her up from the airport.
Why doesn't she take a taxi?
Because of rush hour, it's difficult to catch a taxi.
On the way back, please buy me a burger and a fried chicken thigh.
No.
So let's buy 2 servings for you and me. I'll pay.
Deal.
Situation 4.
Keith, I just got messy in a pack of FIFA.
What? Really?
Here.
Awesome.
Do you want to play a match with me?
In just 5 minutes.
Why not now? What is this? Private journal.
Hey, stop watching my private journal.
You know the difference between watch, look, and see?
I'm not sure.
They're often confused in meaning. However, they should be used in different situations. Look means to look at something directly with intention. See means to see things that come into our sight naturally. Watch means to look at something in a period of time. Usually it's something that's moving or changing. So, we can see something even if we don't want to, but we can only look at something on purpose. This is how you should say it. Stop looking at my private journal.
Stop looking at my private journal.
Why? Did you say anything bad about me in there?
Yes, a lot. Do you know why it is called a private journal?
Why?
Because it's private, not public. You can't read it unless it's yours. And this is my private journal, so please don't look at it or read it. Are we clear?
Okay. See you in 5 minutes and we'll play FIFA.
Situation 5.
Let's cook something to eat.
Okay. What will we cook?
Chicken noodle soup.
I want to eat barbecue chicken. We can make both,
Fine by me.
but we have nothing left in the fridge.
Let's order food delivery.
I want fried chicken and a hamburger.
Fast food?
Yeah,
I don't like fast food.
me too.
Wait a minute, Keith. You are not sure what to use when agreeing with a positive or a negative statement. We use to for a positive statement. Example, I know him. Me too. And for a negative statement, we should use neither. Example, I didn't do that. Me neither. So when Milton says, I don't like fast food, you can say, me neither, or neither do I. Okay, now let's try again.
I don't like fast food.
Me neither.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
Sushi.
Great, I like sushi.
Me too.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.